While many still wait on power, some are still working on cleanup. Out in Linton, Tennessee, near Bellevue, one family workshop was destroyed by this storm. For years, they built cedar swings, picnic tables, and other works inside the shop. Now that's all changed. So I visited the place this afternoon to see the damage and to learn how it was a central part of the Greer family. As a woodworking family, the Greers are used to building new things.
That's the other stuff we got to clean up.
But now, after the widespread ice storm, they're cleaning up.
This is worse than a tornado because of how widespread it is. So
the damage to the Cedar Place, a workshop that's been in the family nearly 50 years, is extensive.
Yeah, I want to wake up. I feel like I want to wake up from this. It'd be a nightmare, but it's not. It's real.
The Greer brothers tell me this is where they first learned the craft, from the person who instilled in them the love of it.
I mean, I grew up here. I've got a lot of memories here with my dad.
He was teaching me how to hold a hammer and nail the stuff.
Although they lost him 20 years ago, Bobby Greer is still very much a big part of this place.
It kind of upset me because, I cried a few times. It's a piece of my dad because he helped build this. He wanted this to be a family legacy and for us to carry it on. And we've carried it on 21 years since he's passed.
While it's been through several other challenges, including the 1994 ice storm, this time it wasn't able to withstand Mother Nature.
Just devastation. Like, I don't see us coming back from this.
Like a death in the family, the reality is heartbreaking.
Some things you can't control. It's out of our control, and all we can do is try to pick up the pieces and move along best we can.
But the memories they built here will last. Those won't go away.
No, they won't. But I'll miss it.
They tell me they're working to remove tree damage and salvage tools from the shop before rain comes next week.